All right, one leg goes up to the sky. Let's go left leg first. Hug the inner thighs towards each other. Bend your bottom knee. If you're newer to handstand, take your left leg down to swing it up and take 3 hops. Or hold the pose without hopping, okay? 3 hops. Once you've done 3 hops with the left leg up, 3 hops with the right leg. Once you've done 3 hops on both sides, child's pose, or sit back on your heels. Padma mudra. Bring your pinky fingers and your thumbs to touch. As the dust of all of that settles, find your anchor. Okay, opening your eyes. I'd like to take Ardha Virasana, half hero pose. Doesn't feel great in everyone's knees. So 2 options. We're either taking lizard pose, maybe with revolved thigh stretch, or half hero. So lizard, if you've got any knee stuff, right foot forward, left foot back. You can stay here, lower forearms to a block or to the ground. At any point, you can reach around with your right hand and grab a hold of your left foot, work heel to bum. Okay, so that's option 1. Option 2 is keeping your right knee bent. Bring your left knee by your right foot. Come sit on the inside of your left foot. Okay? You can always sit on a block, depending upon how this feels. The higher your hips are, the less intense this can be underneath. Slide your right heel in towards you. Feel free to stay up, or you can begin to recline, walk your hands out behind you, and lie down.